I initially made a video to introduce you guys to the best DeFi application you can ever use in this era, right? That's 𝗦𝗚𝗕𝗏. Now, how can you use this DeFi application? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, on 𝗦𝗚𝗕𝗏, you can swap coins across about 12 chains. You can bridge, you can perform your margin trading, you can perform yield farming, and more. So one thing you have to do right now is like this video, subscribe. Without taking too much of your time, let me take you through the core aspect of this platform. Now you can go to app.𝗦𝗚𝗕𝗏.io and then you will meet this platform just the way that I've shown you right here, or you see it in the description. I'll drop a link. Connect your wallet. You can see that it's officially built on Mantle network. Now you will see varieties of market because I'm actually on the market option right there, and you can connect MetaMask wallet, 𝗪𝗡𝗡 wallet, OKX wallet, or whatever wallet provider you are using. In my own case, I tried MetaMask wallet, and then I also tried using 𝗪𝗡𝗡 wallet to see which is better. Okay, I prefer working with the 𝗪𝗡𝗡 wallet, so you connect, authenticate, approve, and your balance will be shown up there. Now the next thing is you can go to the swap option, just like I just went right there. Now on the swap option, you can swap tokens on 12 different chains, and these 12 different chains you can swap these coins at just the light of speed. Everything is just simple. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to the chain. In my own case, I just went to BNB chain right there, and I can swap to any asset. Either you type in the asset directly or you input the contract ID and you're able to swap. Now the next thing is the bridging option. This bridging option enables you to move tokens, to move coins from different chain to another chain. For instance, you can move from Mantle chain to BNB chain, or from Avalanche chain to BNB chain. It's very simple. You know how glitchy bridges are online, and they are very high overpriced fees. This here does not have overpriced fees. So the next thing is margin trading. So here you can open position, close position on chain. You don't have to go through your centralized exchanges to perform DeFi trading, to trade cryptos. Now then the next thing here on the list is the yield farming. Yield farming has a whole a very high percentage right there of yield farming. You can perform yield farming on different assets on this platform. Now with that, there is also an option where you can actually earn points for performing all this transaction on this platform, which means you stand a chance of earning some reward for whatever activity you perform on this platform. That's something that your DeFi platform has not really done for you before. All right, and then you can as well see, based on how much you interact with the DeFi world, you can be climbing some leaderboard on this platform. So go ahead and try out 𝗦𝗚𝗕𝗏 and let me know your experience in comparison with your usual DeFi trading platforms. Now, one unique thing about this platform is that it's not glitchy. It's not like your regular swapping platform, DeFi platform, where before you make a swap, it loads forever or it gives you multiple errors. No, 𝗦𝗚𝗕𝗏 isn't like that. Now you could swap easily. You could swap across different chains at a very low fee. So what are you waiting for? Just hop on right now and stop stressing yourself over DeFi application, glitchy DeFi applications.